And today I want to tell you about one project which is a totally new in our ecosystem. The company is called ILC, and this is an international legal policy. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Well, let's look what the international policy is and the role of this project in our system. This is a unique project of Evorich, which grants users access to the legal policy program. This program is very special, peculiar, particularly if you have a look that this is the first instrument associated with lawyers, with some legal aspects. Before, we tended to promote other projects, and this is the first time ever for our community. This project includes a number of advantages, and you can read some of them. First of all, there is this continuous work with consumers directly through the application. We will monitor the market trends, keep track of the trends and demand for most relevant services, and will use unique technologies and methods. I will detail a bit later. Next slide, please. Quite soon in the back office, you will see the new tab. It will be called Legal Policy of this new project, where you can see 5 components. The first one, legal online support 24/7. Please put a plus in the chat box if you want to have access to your personal lawyer 24/7. This is a unique, very unique product, and later on it will apply to all the countries of the world. Secondly, quickest handling time of your queries and requests. Generally, when you need advice of a lawyer, first of all, you need to find one, the best one, then look through the feedback, come to his office and make an arrangement in advance. Then you come to his office, you share your trouble, and only then you get the services. Whereas here, it's much more promptly and quickly with a focus on fast delivery of services. So the services from different countries of the world, professional lawyers to be provided by professional lawyers, and within the short run, they can actually handle all your requests. And secondly, you save time, as time is the second valuable asset. And you know that the mentality of the rich person is different from the one of the poor, whereas the poor person actually saves money, whereas the rich person tends to save time. And therefore, the idea is to save time of the users. The third advantage is accessible packages. We reviewed and the market, and we see that the fees of high-level professionals are very expensive. I remember in UK, there was one contract without translation. It cost me about 700 pounds, and converted into US dollars, one document preparation cost only 900 US dollars because I urgently needed it. And here the packages are designed in a way that they will be accessible to anyone, and you can select which package is most beneficial for you. I will present the packages a bit later, but for your general understanding, there will be different services included, and each partner may select the package you need. And the fourth advantage is high quality. When the idea of the legal policy was generated, the most important focus is quality, as we want to get information and advice from high-level and experienced lawyers, from those who already consulted or advised clients with similar challenges, and therefore quality matters here a lot. Our lawyers who still develop this project, and I can assure you that over the last few months there was a lot of work in Moscow city office. New lawyers were recruited who actually develop and fine-tune this program, and the staffing expands. Our lawyers that are supporting the company on behalf in the persons of Aigerim and Abzal, they are amazing, and they invested their expertise into this project, their knowledge, and out of many other projects available on the market, legal projects I mean, we have a lot of other advantages compared to our rivals. Let's move on. So another unique technology to be used for this tool, and that is AI based information technologies. Yes, dear friends, we use AI not only for data mining and digital double projects, but in your application, in your personal back office, you will get access to the best lawyer, attorney, and accountant in the future who is ready to deliver high quality services, and in addition there will be a function of AI. So non-legal company, legal business for the time being have never put so high their bars to incorporate artificial intelligence into the legal domain. This is a breakthrough in the legal service market, and I'm very excited and pleased that we can become the pioneers in this. And the idea is that artificial intelligence could actually review the requests of other users and benchmark it with yours, and this way the scope of services to be provided will be more extensive with a faster pace, and incorporating AI, we tremendously expand our opportunities. Can you think over the number of users, potential people who can benefit from this application, particularly now? Guys, please tell me, would you like being in trouble, like you are on the road driving your car and you are stopped saying that you are not wearing a mask and here is a fine to pay? So generally a person starts actually panicking because this is my car and why should I wear a mask in my car? But there were some occasions when drivers were fined, but here you have this application on your phone and everything you need to do is to describe your problem, and automatically, depending on the location where you are, the lawyer will be assigned, and depending on your location, you will be instructed what to say to this statement that you will be fined and which code will protect you. It's like similar to having your pocket lawyer who is always together with you. In case someone does something wrongly, you face a problem at a shop or in the streets, or someone wants to fine you, then you always have in your pocket your personal lawyer, attorney, who will always protect you. And this function, when I heard about this for the first time, I thought, wowzer, no one before had this and offered this. And therefore, in our Evorich system, we have such an amazing project. But most interestingly, like a cherry on the pie, is the next slide, the next piece of news. So please change this slide. For the first time, this project, legal services, will be promoted through the system of multi-level crowd investing model. What does it mean to all of us? You may not only become a client, and let's actually do a poll. Put 1 in the chat box if you want to be a client of the legal policy yourselves. And put 2 in the chat box if, apart from being a client on your own, you will find a number of some other persons you can promote this legal policy to and enroll them to the business. Do you see? Look, friends, we are customers. We create the demand for this product or service. we can use it. And we face a lot of situations in our life when we need a good attorney or an accountant. Those who are in business, they make some statements, some reports, or they made some purchases, real estate purchases. They need the protection of their interests and rights. We will be customers and will shape the demand. Secondly, we will promote this product as well, meaning that we can make earning on this. We become businessmen promoting the legal policy product. And it could be in your country, in your region. But the second component is to act as a co-owner, as a businessman. And thirdly, to become a co-owner, as this project as well is included into our global investment portfolio crypto unit. And my congratulations. And at the closed summary meeting to take place next week, you will learn some amazing, mind-blowing news about the valuation of our assets. And the legal policy is a part of our global investment portfolio crypto unit. And therefore, the first time ever, we combine legal accountancy services with the artificial intelligence and with many other perks attached through our multi-level crowd investing model, where everyone could be a customer, a business person, and a co-owner. And this makes us unique. And here, the last piece of news I want to share with you, the implementation of the project by country. Since it is new, very exclusive, we made a decision not to promote it globally, but to follow stepwise strategy to launch it in a few countries, where we will pilot firstly in Russian-speaking countries and then move on and expand. Therefore, in this slide, you see the top 10. So the list of 10 countries, they're not top 10, but the list of 10 countries. And if you're curious to find out why some of the countries are not listed here, but generally the first project will apply to our top 10. And therefore, if you want to pioneer some projects in any country, then please work harder and add your country to the top list by sales, and then the new projects will apply. Therefore, the top 10 today is that the first three countries, Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, will actually be launched in December this year. We have the first developments, and currently we do the integration with the back office. The website is ready, the landings are ready, the bots are functional. A lot has been done. Lawyers are working overnight actually to promote this and to do all this to make this world-class project. And then the scheduled implementation by the countries, and spring summer 2021, all the top 10 will benefit from the legal policy. Therefore, my congratulations. This is the first time ever when we openly speak about this product, and I am impatient to buy this product and to test how it works. Do you remember 8 rules of a leader? The first one: always be the customer of the product you promote. And therefore, if out of you there are those ready to promote this product, who like this idea of legal policy combined with artificial intelligence, please join, become customers and business persons and co-owners. And